Our world is almost 4.543 billion years old. Still, the amount of wastage we have created in last 400 years is more than the wastage of past billion years. In this rate, soon we have to live under the piles of dirt. One of the large portion of wastage we produce is garments wastage. An average consumer throws away almost 70 pounds of clothing every year, and most of them end up in the soil or in the ocean. So the question, do we use that much clothes which makes 70 pounds of wastage? The answer is no. Because the average lifespan of a cloth is almost 5.4 years, but we do not wear a cloth more than 6 months. In this fact, moving fashion industries, we want to follow the latest trend. That's why we regularly buy new clothes after few months, which leaves our usable old clothes as wastage. With our research and different surveys, we have found out the main reason of changing the clothes are not because it is unwearable. The reason is people don't want to be seen in the same dress anymore. Then we have found that most of the clothes we use are same, just with different design and color. Like we have the same basic shirt with many different design and color, and the same basic pant with different colors. So if we can change the color and design of the same clothes, we don't need to change our clothes for different color or design. This will increase the lifespan of a cloth and also reduce the amount of wastage we create for sure.
That's where our project TextGen comes in. We have developed a fabric that can change color and show different patterns. We have used nano LED and electroactive material for the construction of fabric, which can change color according to the electric signals. We are developing an app by which we can control the design and the color of this fabric. This could be the future of our fashion and garments industry. People can change the color and design of their clothes according to the taste. We can also implement live or moving patterns in the fabric. Our fabric can also be used in sports material and space textile to create different looking garments in less material and weight, which can be crucial in different scenarios. With our project, people don't need to change their clothes for different design, which will definitely reduce the wastage of clothes at least 40 to 60%. But the question remains, is it environment friendly? We are very happy to say our fabric is 100% sustainable, can be reused and reprogrammed in different clothes, which will not harm our environment at all. That's why we team TextGen can say we are working for the future, working to give our future generation a better world.